The morning sun feels warm. The village sounds peaceful today. Good morning, Grandma!
Good morning, Allie.
Look, I brought ginger.
The air is fresh this morning.
It is. Everything is so beautiful. Grandma, the morning feels so peaceful. I can hear the birds singing everywhere.
It is a beautiful morning, my dear.
The garden looks so green. Everything feels calm today.
The flowers are blooming nicely. Nature is very kind to us.
The water pump is still working well.
Yes, it's a good old pump.
Cold water will wake me up.
It certainly will. Be careful not to splash too much.
Brr! That's really cold. But it feels nice in the morning.
Fresh water gives new energy. Now you look ready for the day.
Oh, Milo, you're awake already. You must be very hungry. Here is your food. Eat slowly and enjoy. You always finish your meal quickly. You really love this food.
I'm cooking something special.
It smells so good.
Breakfast will be ready soon.
The smell is wonderful.
I'm glad you think so, dear.
I think it's my favorite dish.
Then have some more. No need to get up, just relax.
Okay, Grandma.
The food is ready to eat.
It smells delicious. This tastes amazing.
I'm glad you like it, dear. Your cooking always makes me happy.
That makes me happy too.
The plants need fresh water. They grow stronger every day. The flowers look colorful today.
I like helping in the garden.
You have a green thumb, Allie.
It's fun, Grandma. This flower smells so sweet.
It does, dear. It's lovely.
Nature is full of beauty.
It certainly is, my dear.
Grandma, you're cooking again. What dish are you making?
A simple vegetable stir-fry, my dear.
It smells wonderful.
I'm preparing a warm curry. It will taste very good.
The smell is spreading everywhere. I feel hungry already.
It will be ready soon, dear. Lunch is ready now.
It looks delicious.
Come and enjoy your meal.
Thank you, Grandma. Come on, Milo, try to catch me. You're getting faster.
The sky looks beautiful this evening.
Yes, sunsets always bring peace. The whole village looks golden.
Evenings here are truly peaceful. Dinner is ready now. You can start eating.
This meal tastes wonderful.
I'm glad you like it, dear.
I really love eating together.
So do I, my child.
Look at Milo waiting there. He hopes to get a little treat. The stars look bright tonight.
The night feels calm and peaceful. The village is quiet now.
Everything feels so peaceful. Good night, Grandma.
Good night, dear. Sleep well.